Hello tailors! In this video I show you a simple and quick way to create frill. We need one measure the length of the section to which we'll sew into the frill. In this example I have a length 16 cm. Make a circle of 16 cm. Draw a circle on paper. Frill width 8 cm can be made wider or shorter. So we have half the circle. On the other half we connect the upper point of the circle with the lower point under the small circle with a smooth line. Cut out and frill pattern is ready. For the top of the frill, I cut 2 cm.